All right, this is the Fuji Spray Semi PRO 2 gravity fed HVLP high volume, low pressure turbine system. For our paint sprayer, we got a makeshift paint booth in the other room. They said you should keep this thing 20 feet away from where you're spraying. So we punched a hole through the wall here, and we have this connected up on the other side of the wall so that it's a safe distance away. If you look at this thing, let's see, weight-wise, not too bad. It comes with the machine itself. You can see we've got some filters on either side here. Nice handle on top, vented in the back. Obviously runs off of 120 volts. We've got the hose that comes with it, the sprayer, I'll show you in a minute, but we hooked this up to an infrared remote control right here. Plugged it in so we could use a switch and turn it on from the other room. It also comes with this M model gravity fed paint gun. Comes with a 1.3 millimeter needle, and the connections are already on there. You just hook it up, you can see the hose. You can see we've run the hose through the closet here just to keep everything quiet. And we also bought the extra flexible hose that you can get from Fuji. All right, let's fire up this thing. Okay, you can hear it. That's on the other side of the wall. Let's go over here and you can hear how loud it is. From here, we've got it going and we're just ready to go. Shut it off and we're done. Yep. And the way we've got this set up in the closet, you can just pack it up, hide everything away, and it doesn't take up hardly any room at all. When you're done, it comes with a little holder for the gun. So you can just mount that somewhere wherever you want, set it on there, and you're good to go. Stores it away for next time. The gun itself is fairly easy to clean, and it comes with instructions on how to do that. There it is, the Fuji Semi PRO 2.